Hello friends, welcome to Mastering Bank Nifty YouTube channel. This is your mentor Sujit Bhaskar. Hello friends, welcome to Mastering Bank Nifty YouTube channel. This is your friend Sujit Bhaskar. Welcome to today's Bank Nifty analysis. Hope everybody is safe. So before starting today's review, yesterday I have given some predictions. If you go through my 12th January video, which is available in YouTube, if you had gone through the video, whatever I told you yesterday, the exact things happened today. I told that if you see the day-wise trend, it was kind of an uptrend. Let me take one day time frame. Can see here. Um, Let me hide all the indicators. You can see it's kind of a uptrend, right? The green candles, it's kind of uptrend. And today, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the doji formed. So yesterday, doji has formed. Doji means it's kind of a indecision candlestick. So in the sense, market wants to go whether it is not a buyer's call, or it's not a buyer's call or a seller's call. So it's kind of a indecision, and market already went such a huge uptrend. There should be a retracement. So that's what happened today. Okay, now it will retrace, and again it will go to the whatever the mark line I did, right, 39,601. It will go before the budget session. So I already shared in my previous event. Same thing will going to happen. Okay, so let me again switch back to the 5 minutes chart. Okay, okay, let me unhide all the uh, indicators here. So I told is either gap up or gap down. Exactly, a huge gap down candle has formed here in the 50 minutes charts, and you can see here I already had on the high and low point of the 50-minute session. That is very crucial for us for our intraday trading, and already marked this line here. And see, I always say, if you have gone through my previous videos, I always say that trend is your friend. My channel caption itself is trend is your friend. So always follow the trend. The trend is formed based on the individual trader's psychology. It's all of psychology. Okay, the big institutional play with some analysis, but for the retail investor it's kind of a psychology. They see that market is going up, then they may feel anytime it can fall. Then if I see one red candle formation, immediately everybody will start selling, or vice versa. So that is the psychology of market. That's how you can see different. So I just quickly mark the, you can see the high point I marked here already, horizontal line, and the low point also I marked horizontal line, and see the beauty here. So coming to the trading opportunities you have, so this is one good trading opportunity, right? So you can see here from it, as soon as this candle cross the S2 the level, now if you're going up, it's kind of a, it's just a resistance. If you're going uptrend, right? So once it's broken the S2 resistance, now it became a support, right? So you will get some 80 points here. So today is the weekly expiry day, so we can expect huge volatility and the variations in your in the live market. Okay, so this is the good entry point for you. As soon as it's touched this S1, so always remember, in the volatility method don't expect huge movement. If you refer my previous videos, I always say that target for 150 to 200 points. Now it is started reducing because today is weekly expiry day. Now in today's session you should start target for 100 points. That's all. Now as soon as this week touched S1, you should come out from the trade. Don't wait. Okay, you can wait for the next candle to form, but always expect that the next to next candle will be a red candle. Always remember that. Okay, so as soon as you are, when it is closed here, the 5 minutes chart, immediately you should come out. I can see that it went till here, right? It went till here, the 38,664, and it is closed at 38.653. So there is some 10-15 points it went up and came down. So, and if you once you start seeing that the sellers are pulling down the candle, you should immediately exit. So there is a target. In this target, if you have one lot, you should have earned close to some 1,800 rupees to 1,000 rupees in today's, because the premium is very low in the weekly expiry date, right? So as soon as this red candle crosses this S1, then the next red candle formed, you should enter here also. You should go for put option, right? So if that goes, this is a very almost 200 points, right? And don't target it for, so you target for S1 to S3 only. So as long as this breaks the S1 support level, again you target for S2. If you achieve S2, come out of the trade. Again, if you want to stay in the trade, you should always see that it's a long candle form, but then you can stay here. In the case, it's not in the 5 minutes chart itself, how much points has been created. See here in the 5 minutes chart, sorry, let me, so in the on the 5 minutes chart, 80 point red candle has formed in the 5 minutes. So that is a huge, so you can stay, should have stayed in this line, and as soon as it sets S3 should come out. Don't expect again to go down. Yes, it went down, but immediately it will reverse. Psychology is, you can see here, when the green candle formed, immediately it reversed. Again same thing, as soon as it crossed, since it's a long candle, you can stay in the trade, but after this cross the S3 level, the next you should be coming out. So but you took extra risk, but that is okay. But once it's touched here, you can see one trend line I drawn here. This is the trend line I have drawn. As soon as you touch the trend line, if I draw exactly, it will exactly touch here. Then it started reversing. Then it's kind of a consolidation happened. Then as soon as it's crossed here, then small. So this is the today's 15 minutes low point. So you can see all that is consolidated. So always you should mark the 15-minute session high and low points. The market will be very much correlating with that points. Okay, with this gap down. This is a downtrend happening, means it should always play within this range. You can see consolidation happen because it's played as a resistance here, and it's crossed this resistance. Again is touched S2. So these are all the chances for you to just trade here. This is a good point, right? Entry point, maybe some 50-60 points you will get. Then it went reverse. You can see the trend line. It is, I have drawn two trend lines here. Okay, exactly. It's a trend is your friend, right? Exactly is all matching with the trend line. It is touched this trend line, again it is consolidated, again it went, then high green candle formed, then again it started consolidating here. Once this, I always tell, once this consolidation is kind of a squeezing, the sellers and buyers will squeeze it, and if any candle, if it is a candle, if it breaks here, you can expect a huge movement. Anywhere you see, once two trends are colliding or coinciding, you can see that this will some 40 points you may get. Then again it touched the trend line. Again a huge reverse candle formed. Then all these areas you can enter. If you see that it crossing this one, again this trend line, should expect a good movement here. Okay, I always say this is kind of a consolidation, right? It's kind of a squeezing it. So there's a huge pressure is there. If it's kind of a, if you're putting in a pressure cooker, right? It's a huge pressure. If you give some sand, it will blast. Same thing happens. This is kind of a squeezing the sellers and buyers are squeezing it. So once the pressure is built up, and as soon as this is the line, this is the threshold line. Once it breaks here, then it's, you can see how much you can expect from here to here, 50 points. That much movement you can expect. Same case here also. Once it's broken the trend line, again here 30 points. Okay. Then after that, this is the time around, it's around 2 o'clock. Then after you can see kind of a, it's not red zone because it's kind of a sideways. These zones and all you cannot predict it. So you cannot trade in this session because this kind of consolidation, suddenly it goes up. So better not to trade in this. So this from here to here, I don't see any good trades happening. Better should avoid. After 2 o'clock in the expiry, you should better come out of the trade. Should close everything. Okay. So the good trades are, as I said, this is one good trade for you from here to here. Then again, this is a very good trade of close to 250 points. There is a good trade. After that, this from here to here also, from here to, I can say it's a consolidation. But if you had stayed here, you got this good target here. So it is playing around with the range, this range, and all the movement and under concentrating within this, the line which I have drawn here, which is the low point of the session, and this support levels, and this all this trend line. So trend lines, support levels, days high and low. In the sense, the 50 minutes then these are the key lines, trend lines, indicators you should use for your daily trade. So this is a volatile market, so you should trade according to this only. Okay. If you ask me for a prediction for the tomorrow's session, I see that again it's a retestment happened, and if you can see on the right hand side, all HDFC you can see from yesterday and today it's kind of a downtrend only. You can see reduction there. Yesterday also I think close to 1% reduction happened. Today also 1%. So HDFC in the downtrend. ICICI is showing marginal movement. Axis also followed downtrend. So yesterday it was HDFC only in the downtrend. All other banks were in the higher side. But today you can see most of the banks are in downtrend only. So tomorrow again the retracement, maybe it may again test for one more retracement. It may come down. But as I believe, by seeing already one huge retracement happened of 300 points, so I think tomorrow will be a gap up opening only. Okay, expect a gap up opening. Then we need to see how the market behaves. I think after that it will kind of a sideways only. I can see not much movement. I can see the gap up, whatever gap up happening after that, the side, whatever that difference is there, that will be the points which market will gain. Okay, I think that's all for today's review, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, please like my video, please press bell icon for all future daily notification. You will get as soon as I release daily analysis chart, and finally be safe and take care of your family. So that's all. Thanks for watching Mastering Bank Nifty YouTube channel. This is your mentor Sujit Bhaskar signing off. Thanks. Bye.